Hey everyone, welcome back to MR Tech, your favorite place to learn ethical hacking and tech tricks. Today, I'll show you how to set up your own hacking lab at home using VirtualBox and Kali Linux without touching any real systems. This setup is completely offline, safe, and beginner-friendly. Let's get into it.
First, open your browser and search for kali.org. Then this website will be redirected and press download. And now you can see the interface like this. Now, before we download the file, we should check our requirements on our PC, whether it is x64 or x32. You can check this by going to Windows Search and type sysinfo, and this window will pop up. After this, you can see whether your PC is 64 or 32-bit, and mine is 64-bit, so I am continuing with 64-bit installation. Since I have already downloaded the file, I am not going to download it again. Now open a new tab and search for VirtualBox. Now you can click on the first link appears on the screen. After you click on the link and go inside, here you can see many VirtualBox platform packages. On this, you can select what fits your computer, and I am going with Windows because I am using Windows. Now, you should download the extension pack for VirtualBox. On the opposite of this, there is an extension so you can download it. Since I have already downloaded the file, I am not going to download it again. Okay, downloading these files may take time, and it depends on your internet speed. Now let's assemble what we downloaded. First, right-click in the VirtualBox and click on Run as Administrator. Now it will start installing. You just have to press Next for everything. Since I have already installed it, it won't show up, but this is a basic installation. After you finish installing VirtualBox, now open VirtualBox. You can see the interface of VirtualBox like this, and now click on the 3 lines above and select Extensions. After you go inside the Extension tab, you can see there is cross and a tick symbol, and you should press the tick symbol and add the extension you downloaded previously. Once you added the extensions successfully, you can now go back to the Welcome tab again to start the installation of Kali Linux. Once you are here, now you can click on the new button. Now you can name it as the name you want. I am naming it Kali Linux. Now I am going to give you a free tip that can save your storage from your main drive. Click the drop-down arrow and select Others, and after that you select the drive or SSD on which the files should be stored. Don't open the drive. Just click on the drive which you should install Kali on. After that, press Open. Since I have one 256 SSD and 2 500 GB hard drives, I am selecting will ask for the type. Now press the drop-down arrow and select Linux, and it will automatically select the version needed to be downloaded. Now press Next, and you would have to allocate space to install Kali. Since I have 20 GB of RAM, I am allocating 10 gigabytes of RAM and 3 cores of CPU space. Now press Next, and you would have to allocate virtual hard disk space totally. You can add space up to 2 terabyte, but for this installation, 90 GB is more than enough. After you are done with this process, you can click on Next, and now you can see the summary of what you have given and click Finish to complete the configuration. Okay, now you are done with the configuration, and now before you go into Kali, you should make some changes in the Settings tab to be safe while you are in the hacking environment. Open the Settings and then the General and Advanced tabs. Click on the drop-down arrow, share the clipboard, and drag and drop. Change it for bidirectional because you can share files from the VirtualBox to host machine when needed. Then go to the Display tab and pull the video memory all the way down on the green line. You also can enable 3D acceleration if needed. Now go to the Storage tab and click on Empty. And on the right side, you have to choose an optical drive. On that, click on the CD-like thing, and you will get these two options. Now click on Choose Disk File and select the Kali ISO file we downloaded. Now, go to the Network tab. You can see the network as NAT. Change it to a bridge adapter. I have connected through Fast Ethernet, so you can't see any name. If you have connect using a Wi-Fi adapter, you can see your Wi-Fi and connect it. Now press OK and finish the process. Now let's fire up the Kali installation by clicking Start. After this, you just watch and download. If you have any doubts, put me a comment and I will give you the solution. Now continue watching and do same as I do. Thank for watching. Make sure press that subscribe button to learn more ethical hacking videos. Meet you all in another video. Thank you.